Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chapathi noodles. I'm going to make chapati out of Manna Multi Millet Atta and I'm going to add more vegetables and prepare this recipe. So if you're a person who loves to lose weight or if you're a person who loves to maintain your weight, this is a perfect recipe for you all because you need not compromise on the taste. And also you need not compromise on your health. And this Manna Multi Millet Atta consists of 75% atta and 25% of millet. And this 25% millet consists of Ragi, Jowar and Bajra. So this is a very healthy option for you all. So along with atta, you're also going to get the goodness from all the millets that are available in this pack. And the vegetables that you're going to add is completely up to you. You can add any vegetables of your choice and make it even more healthier. Come on, let's get started.
I'm going to add 2 cups of Manna Multi Millet Atta to a big bowl. To this I'm going to add half tablespoon salt. Mix it well. Add water little at a time and knead it into a firm dough. So this is the first step to make soft chapatis. And this is the most important step as well. So add water little at a time and be careful when you add water. Apply some pressure when you need it and then mix it well. And now at this stage we are going to follow the second step, which is kneading the dough. So we'll have to knead the dough at least for 5 minutes. The longer you knead, you'll get the softer chapatis. So ensure you knead it well. And now the dough is ready. So when you press it using your finger, it should be soft, but it should not be sticky at the same time. So this is the exact consistency of the dough. Now I'm going to apply a drop of oil on it. Spread it well and then we are going to cover this and let it rest for 30 minutes. And the third step for making soft chapatis is to rest the dough. So you'll have to rest it for at least 30 minutes, but you can also rest it for more than 2 or 3 hours. So the longer you rest, you'll get the softer chapatis. And now it's been exactly 30 minutes. And now let's roll the dough. To a flat surface, I'm going to add some flour. Take some required amount and dust the flour on both the sides. And now let's roll this. Ensure it is not too thick, not too thin. And ensure that all the corners are equally rolled. And now this is ready. Let's place this on a tawa. And now I'm going to cook one side of this chapati for around 10 to 20 seconds and then flip it. Now after few seconds, you'll see few bubbles popping out on the top. And now it's time to flip again. Apply some ghee. And then we are going to flip and again apply ghee on the other side as well. So you can cook this chapati for around 1 minute. So that would be more than enough. So do not cook it more than 1 minute, which will make the chapatis to turn harder. And now this is ready. And we'll know that the chapatis are ready when you see these golden or brown color spots on them. Now let's cut this into strips. So I'm going to roll it as tight as possible so that it would be easier for us to chop this. And now using a knife, you can chop this. You can also use scissors if you find it easier. And now just separate each and every strip so that you'll get the noodle shaped or whatever it is. And now this is ready. I'll do the same for the other chapatis as well. And now to a large kadai, I have added around 1 tablespoon of oil. And now to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it crackle. And to this I'm adding 2 finely chopped green chilies and 2 sliced onions, 1 tomato which I have sliced, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to saute this. And now to this I'm adding 1 capsicum which I have sliced and 2 carrots which I have sliced again, and adding 200 grams of mushroom. You can add any vegetables of your choice. And now I'm going to mix all these well and cook this on high flame for just 1 minute. After a minute, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, salt as required, and 2 tablespoons of tomato chili sauce. Mix all these well. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little water and mix it well. To this, I'm going to add the chapati pieces. Mix all these well. And now after mixing it well, I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon and a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix and cook this on high flame for just 1 minute and our yummy and delicious chapati noodles will be ready.
Our yummy chapati noodles is now ready. It's time to taste. This is a must-try recipe. It's so spicy and also the chapati is so soft. Even before I added it to the masala, it was so soft. But now it has soaked all the goodness from the masala and also along with the vegetables. It's so yummy. Definitely give this a try. It is a very, very healthy recipe. You'll never regret trying this. Do let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.